juicy, tender, and delicious chicken recipe. This is going to be your next favorite chicken recipe. I have a whole chicken over here and several other ingredients which you're going to find listed in the description box. And also I have spices over here which are just mild and very flavorful. So to get started, you're going to place a pot over medium flame, add in cooking oil. I always get excited when I'm making chicken. So to my pot, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Toast the seeds for around 30 seconds or until you notice a very flavorful aroma. Once my cumin seeds are ready, I'm going to add in 2 large onions, some garlic and ginger, if you're not a fan of garlic and ginger, you're missing out a lot of flavor in your food. So you can try by adding in a little bit at a time until you get used to the taste. Once my onion is ready, I'm going to add in 2 diced tomatoes, tomato paste, and my spices. Stir in everything together and let the tomatoes cook until softened up. That is going to take around 1 minute. You can also add in a splash of water so that the tomatoes can fully cook. Add in 1 vegetable stock cube. You can also add in some chicken seasoning cube or stock cube. When you notice oil separating from the tomatoes are ready. This is how the tomatoes look like. Next, I'm going to add in my chicken, which I've washed and cut into pieces. Stir in and coat the chicken with the delicious sauce. Add in some carrots, and 1.5 cups of water. Toss the chicken in the water. Cover and reduce the flames to low. Simmer your chicken for around 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce is nice and thick. This is how my chicken is looking like, and everything is looking very delicious, and the sauce has totally reduced to a very nice and thick gravy. So the next thing is to garnish my chicken. So I'm going to add in some chopped coriander, Toss around the chicken, the coriander. Wow. Thank me later when you try out this easy and simple chicken stew recipe. I absolutely love how the chicken has turned out. It's cooked to perfection, very tender, and the flavor is just spot on. And you can serve the chicken with absolutely any side dish. For me, I'm going to be serving mine over some rice, and it's going to be absolutely amazing.